The India-US trade deal, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has hit out at him. He said that Rahul is lying on the farm deal, misleading the farmers and the entire nation. He claimed that the deal prioritizes national interest and asked, and I quote, how long will he confuse the farmers of the nation? He asserted that Modi government is committed to protecting the Annadata, that is the farmers, and highlighted various schemes for the farmer welfare. The farm deal, as we can see outside the parliament as well, has now intensified. Listen in to the agriculture minister.
राहुल गांधी लगातार झूठ बोल रहे हैं, बार बार बोल रहे हैं, बेशर्मी से झूठ बोल रहे हैं और वीडियो से भी उनका झूठ साफ नजर आता है। झूठ बोलकर किसानों को गुमराह करने की असफल कोशिश कर रहे हैं, देशवासियों के बीच भ्रम पैदा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं पूरे दावे के साथ कहता हूं, भारत और अमेरिका के बीच जो समझौता हुआ है, उसमें देश के हितों को सर्वोपरि रखा गया है। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे स्टार्टअप्स, हमारे किसान, हमारे कारीगर, हमारे मछुआरे, सबके हितों की पूरी तरह से रक्षा की गई है। राहुल गांधी बार बार सेब की बात कर रहे हैं। 5,50,000 मीट्रिक टन सेब हम आयात करते हैं, उसमें से सीमित बहुत छोटा कोटा, और वो भी किन शर्तों पर? न्यूनतम आयात मूल्य 80 रुपया किलो और उस पर 25 रुपया प्रति किलो शुल्क। मतलब लैंडिंग कास्ट ही 105 रुपया है। फिर किसानों का हित कैसे? अखरोट के मामले में भी लगातार गुमराह करने की कोशिश हो रही है। पहले से ही भारत 60,000 मीट्रिक टन अखरोट आयात करता रहा है।
Mr. Rahul Gandhi has once again rolled out a stage-managed, most artificial and fake narrative. What a shame that Mr. Rahul Gandhi falsely claims that they had closed the doors to imports during Congress rule. The fact is, when Congress was in government, India used to import nearly $20 billion of agricultural products, including dairy products. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, जवाब दो, कब तक झूठ बोलते रहोगे और किसको गुमराह कर रहे हो? क्यों देश के किसानों के साथ बेवफाई कर रहे हो? बड़ा दुख होता है आपके रवैये से। Mr. Rahul Gandhi stands completely exposed as a drama artist and a relentless peddler of fake, baseless allegations and fabricated stories.
For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Dev, who's been tracking all the details. Good morning, Dev. The comment by the Agriculture Minister and the Commerce Minister comes after, remember, yesterday Rahul Gandhi met with the farm leaders. Now the BJP is saying that that was all scripted. The meeting happened in the parliament. He's misleading the farmers. He's misleading the nation. He's scripting. He scripted what really happened in that meeting yesterday.
Well, yes, both these ministers, Piyush Goyal and Shivraj Singh Chauhan, lambasting Rahul Gandhi, have gone on to say that the leader of opposition does not know anything. He is only trying to add and create more confusion and distrust in the minds of fellow Indians about the recently signed deal that has happened between India and America. However, both of them have also gone on and specifically said, Shivraj Singh Chauhan talking about the import of apples and shedding light on the numbers, and Piyush Goyal making a clear, specific announcement about maize and wheat crops. these are the crops and the fruits where there was confusion. Also to mention the fact that there are a list of several other food grains and dairy products also which the BJP ministers have gone on record to clarify in terms of how their sales would not be affected, and also the farmers will also not be aggrieved after the new deal comes into effect. So they have clearly accused Rahul Gandhi of saying that not considering what the government has done or is trying to do in order to lift the fellow Indians out of economic distress, including farmers and the fishermen. Rahul Gandhi rather is only trying to make the situation more aggressive and complex by misleading and misguiding people about certain facts. They have said that he is not aware, which is why they have gone on record to state along with numbers in terms of which fruit, food grain or dairy product will be affected or will not be affected. In fact, for the last 1 week, if we have seen that there have been several meetings back to back in also by the farm leaders, and also clarifications that have been issued by the current union cabinet ministers, including the agriculture minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the union commerce minister Piyush Goyal, which is why he is saying that why is Rahul Gandhi not understanding the numbers and the arithmetic behind it, rather just going on to blast the government for doing its job rather than appreciating what they have done in order to try and improve India's economic situation by having this bilateral deal come trade with United States of America.
Absolutely, and the government is saying that Rahul Gandhi is misleading the nation, he's misleading the farmers, and this comes in the backdrop of, remember, and we are showing you those visuals on the screen of Rahul Gandhi meeting with the farm union leaders in the parliament yesterday. They were from across the states and they are planning to launch a nationwide campaign against the India-US interim trade deal. So it remains to be seen how that pans out. Thanks so much, Dave, for getting us all those details. With this, a short break.